our Prime Minister is Sri Narendra Modi ji. He is participating in UN for the function of International Yoga there. So we got an opportunity to celebrate this yoga in UN, and 180 countries in the world is following that. And our Prime Minister is, of course, took initiative for this move. And today, what is the greatest contribution to the world by India is that our yoga, and through that our culture, our tradition, our civilization is expanded to all human beings for their betterment, their pleasure, and their happiness. And we are thinking that Loga Samasta Sugino Bhavandu, entire world should be in prosperity and happiness. And I am very happy that due to these two reasons, this is happiest moment in my life. I am congratulating everybody for this success.
Sir, since you have taken a charge as a governor, you have done many initiatives. Recently was a jackfruit festival also. So to promote yoga in the state, so any initiative
Government is taking all steps. Today also governmental program is there, and in schools, colleges, so university students also participated abundantly in this program. And so we are always taking initiative. Last year also we took initiative, and in a large scale we are doing. And today I would like to say the Rajabhani is planning, and scheme is underway for our traditional occupations in the villages. We are going to promote it, and with the cooperation of the government I am expected to do that, and Rajabhani is preparing for that.